Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you love Star Wars, then you are going to love this book.
Before the events that we all know and love of Star Wars, first there was the High Republic. And this is the first of the High Republic novels that have been coming out. And I have to say, it is so amazing. I love all of this new lore that we get to learn all about the High Republic era and all of the Jedi that were at the height of their power. And you get to meet so many new characters, learn so many new things, and this book is just so brilliantly written. I ate it up. I was tabbing it and reading so many cool things. I cannot get enough of Star Wars. I love it so much, and I was so happy to start a whole new era. So if you also love Star Wars, you're definitely going to want to pick up this book.
I absolutely love Light of the Jedi, and I think it is a must read, and that is my point of view.